That was a close call right there. Take two. Whoa. It's too windy, fam. What's up, though? There's Sunday fun day. I don't know if I'm screaming. I'm talking normal, but I'm buzzing up. I'm in a good fucking mood right now. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Oh, I needed this shit, man. I'm not wearing my jacket today.
Watch out, little bitch. Yeah.
Whoa, this is a badass spot to take a picture for IG. Shoot you. Metro don't trust you, I'ma shoot you. About to take some pictures for IG. You already know. Fuck, this shit sucks. Alright, let's try this again. Dude, it's really in there. Alright, let me try this one more time. Another one. Oh damn, did my gas light just came on? Bro. Ah, this sucks. I hate I look like an idiot. Bro, I just did it. Oh shit, I did it.
I am the one.
Thanks, brother. Huh?
What can is that?
This is a Yamaha R6.
Man, that's son of a bitch. I ain't seen nothing like that.
Yeah, pretty nice, huh?
Man, you got one of a kind. I congratulate you.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah. How fast to go? About 190?
No, this one tops out 210.
What?
So you racing stuff, don't you?
Yeah.
I bet you bad. My name's Tony, yo, man.
Tony, man. Nice meeting you, bro.
You still going to store?
My name's Pancho.
Tenemos mucho gusto, mi hermano. Yes, sir. Mi Antonio.
¿Dónde eres tú, amigo?
Cubano, yeah.
¿Cubano?
Yeah, I've been here about
Oh, yo estoy enamorado de una cubana, eh?
yeah, well, I'm negro, but I speak fluent Spanish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the Mexican mafia taught me 11 years ago.
Oh, shit, man.
In the prison there, man. I'm here now, man. Just lost my last 2 family members, man. And
Oh, sorry to hear that, man.
right, I'm down here. Homies trying to wash bikes and stuff, man. So let me dust your bike off for you. So I'm just trying to earn some change. Let me dust it off for you.
You want to?
Yeah.
It's up to you, man.
Hey, brother. I haven't eaten in 2 days. I live on the bridge, and whatever you give me, man. I'm gonna do it. You going to the store, right?
I'm sorry?
You going to the store?
Nah, man, I'm kind of lost right now.
Okay, what you need? Tell me what you need.
What's it called, that place where they play volleyball? Sandbar.
Oh, sandbar? Deep Ellum?
Yeah, it's here.
Stay right here. My store's right here. Don't go nowhere.
I'm gonna stay right here. I'm not gonna move, all right? Dun, 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 dun. Huh?
Right next to where I stay.
Oh, shit, where you stay?
Second Street, on the bridge, brother.
Really?
Yeah, for real, man. I'm homeless, man, and you know, trying to eat, man. Try to get on the train tomorrow, go to Plano, man. Just got my ID and stuff.
Oh, really?
Turning 62 today, brother.
So it's your birthday?
Huh?
When is your birthday?
Oh, today?
What's today's date?
The 19th.
The 19th? Fuck, time goes by fast, right?
No, man. For real, no lie, man. It got me confused, though. But I turned 62.
62?
Yes, sir.
What's the secret, man? You look young.
Well, the secret, man, is don't stress.
Right?
Yeah. So te robas a mi mano.
So it's down that way.
2nd Street, by the police station. Turn around with you, I'll show you where it's at. Easy. You go see a 1,000 police cars. Take them out there. Just step there.
All right, man. What's the secret you can give a young guy so he can get some?
Get some pussy.
Yeah.
What, you mean like now?
Yeah.
Check this out. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Me and Antonio. What you like to eat? What type of food do you like?
I like fish.
You like fish? Wow. That's what I like. May I do the honors? No strings attached? Put your purse in the car.
What?
Let me treat you no strings attached. And if I can make you smile, or if I can make you cry sincerely, and if I can hug you. Well, first of all, let me see your finger. Oh, you know what's supposed to.
Yo,
Hey, man.
this is what's up, man. Here, man. I saw I got cash for you, bro. I got your name. I always come here, man. We gotta hang out again. What's your name?
But Antonio.
Antonio? Pancho. Don't forget my name.
Hey, Pancho, come and holler at me, man.
Yeah, where you usually at, man? We gotta go get some lunch sometime, man.
Most of the time, I'm right here by Sisetta. Right here. I work there part-time, and I watch over it, man.
Okay.
You know, come down. So where's Tonio at the fitness trainer?
Tonio, right?
Tonio.
What's my name?
Your name? Pancho.
Hey!
Yeah, I know.
Alright, brother. Well,
If you know anybody,
alright, cool, man. Alright. It was good meeting you, man.
you too, big brother.
Be safe.
On the same side of the police station.
Alright.
Okay, big brother.
Yeah.
So holler me tomorrow, okay?
Alright. There you go, guys. There goes the secret. Oh, man.
Can you make a phone call for me and talk to the person on your phone for me, please?
Nah, man. I can't do that, bro. I got no minutes.
Fucking on some poppin' pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. I've been fucking on some poppin' pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up and then they shot down. And my homies pull up on your back and make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Switch my weekend back in black and started saying rest in peace to Bon Scott. Said that we blowin' smoke, she hits me light a fire like I'm on sun. The full on stage, probably leave my fucking show in a cop car. She was legendary through a TV out the window of the montage. Cooking on the table like a party, don't give a damn. Dude, the girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Singing on with the band. Hey, hey.
It's nice. Come on, bro. Ha